Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to add a text record in cpanel. So at first go to your cpanel and then search zone editor, click on it. Here select a domain and click on the manage. Click on the add record. At first you have to put your domain name. For example, I am going to add condell.xyz and then click dot. Here the type, select text and then paste the text and then click on the save record. So you can see you successfully saved the following text record. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.